Wish you could restart your life like a phone? Just hit reset and fix everything? Yeah, about that. Here's the truth no one likes to hear. You don't restart your life in one big moment. You rebuild it in small, uncomfortable decisions. Step 1. Get honest. Not Instagram honest, real honest. What's not working? What are you avoiding? Step 2. Stop waiting for motivation. Your life won't magically improve because you feel ready. You move first, then clarity follows. Step 3. Change your environment. Sometimes it's not you, it's what you keep exposing yourself to. Same habits, same people, same routine equals same life. And let's be real, you don't need a new year, a Monday, or a perfect timing. You just need a decision you actually follow through. Because restarting your life isn't dramatic. It's repetitive, quiet, and a little boring. But those small changes, they compound. And one day, your life looks completely different. Follow for more self-awareness and mindset content that helps you rebuild your life one decision at a time.